Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp photos from iTunes and Google Drive. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's recover from iTunes. To recover the deleted WhatsApp photos from iTunes, I'm using a software called iMyFone ChatsBack. Download the application from its official site. Or else, check description for the download link. Launch the application after successful installation. There, you will find three options on the homepage, such as device storage, Google Drive, and iTunes. We have already published a video on how to recover WhatsApp photos from device storage. If you haven't watched it till now, go and watch it after the completion of watching this video. Link will be in the description. Click on the iTunes option. Then it starts to scan the iPhone database for the WhatsApp data backups. Choose the photos from the results that you want to recover. At the bottom of the window, you will find two options like Recover to Device and Recover to PC. Choose the option according to your requirement, and the recovery will be done respectively. Now let's see how to recover WhatsApp photos from Google Drive. Launch the iMyFone ChatsBack application and choose the Google Drive option from the available three options. Then it asks you to sign in to Google account from which you want to recover. Provide the email ID and password. Later, click on Next. Then it shows all the available backup lists. Choose the backup and click on Recover to start the recovery process. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.